Do you know what happens to mosquitoes when they feed on your blood? If you think that mosquitoes simply prick your skin and feed on your blood, then you are totally wrong. In fact, every time a mosquito feeds on your blood, it's like performing a minimally invasive surgery on you. He avoids being noticed by you. While locating its preferred spot on your skin, he will infuse your skin with saliva that has anesthetic effects to facilitate the feeding process. That's to numb the stinging sensation, much like what you feel during hospital surgery. Quite the top-notch service, right? Just like getting a complimentary numbing agent before the feeding start. Then Dr. Mosquito proceeded to retrieve his surgical tools. That's his needle-like mouth parts. Many assume that the mosquito's mouth is just a needle in appearance. In fact, that mouth parts consist of 6 needle-like structures, each with a different function. To see them clearly, you need to use a microscope. Their functions are specialized. The 2 outermost serrated needles are designed to cut into your skin. The 2 inner ones are responsible for navigating through obstacles to access the blood vessels. As for the 2 middle ones, is responsible for releasing anticoagulant compounds to keep the blood flowing, while the other aids in maintaining a steady feeding process. Without being discovered by you, he will hungrily consume your blood until his stomach expands as large as his back. In this process, he will likewise administer viruses into your bloodstream. Not only that, in order to draw more blood, he will also expel excess water from the body, ingest and excrete at the same time, until his stomach is close to exploding. Only then will he leave with satisfaction. For most of the time, when you notice a tingling or itchy feeling on your skin, the mosquitoes have been gone for quite a while now. This happens because the body's immune response kicks in after the anesthetic is no longer active. Up to this point, should we give a thumbs up to this professional mosquito doctor? Finally, do you know what would happen if mosquitoes became extinct? Please subscribe to stay updated with our upcoming videos.